Okay, Happer Horsham students, that's a just quick demonstration of a source study, which is a study in what we call arpeggiation. Now you see that this differs clearly from alternated bass. And so what's happening here, there's an arpeggiation going on. If you watch my right hand, you'll see that I'm just using my ring, middle, and index finger to hit strings 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And it gives it this flow that is clearly arpeggiation when you hear it, and it's something that you can mix in with when you get better with alternated bass and use both of these techniques we did that's arpeggiation. You can hear also it's not alternated bass, that is excuse me, which is arpeggiated. And that's another technique that you want to develop independence in your fingers. And I want to just give you this source study as a little practice, not the whole study. You're not going to be able to take that on, but you will be, it's surprisingly quickly, if you do master just this. So what I want you to do is pinch, same technique that we had up here, is pinch this string 6, open, and string 1 at fret 7. And then you have 2 open strings, string 2 and string 3, open. And go through that whole cycle of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then pinch, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pinch. And then just go back and forth. Doing this slowly so you get the idea. All right, so that's what you can practice for arpeggiation. There's a lot more that we can do with arpeggiation, and we'll be doing. Usually, when you use it in a rock construct like this, is you can see I'm just using 2 fingers there as opposed to 3 here. But there's room for both in rock and pop, and there are a lot of guys like James Taylor who uses 3. And we'll get to JT pretty soon. So to demonstrate the classical style, but right now you've had alternated bass, and now this, which is more busy with your fingers. And we're next going to do a classical approach, which is neither, it incorporates everything, but it's basically playing a guitar like you would play a piano. I look on it that way, that you're just interested in the notes and having a bass and a melody and some harmonizing notes in between. And we'll get to that next. Keep working on this, and we'll see you at the next video.